Hi, welcome to my channel. This is me Wasim, and in this video I'm gonna explain how to enable developer tab in Excel for Windows. So the quick way to do this is just right click within on any tab here. Just right click anywhere and choose the customize the ribbon. That will bring to the Excel option windows here. Then highlight the customize ribbon tab on the left side, and within the tab on the right side we have a list of all the tabs in the ribbon, and the developer tab is right here. Is probably unchecked, so left click this box to check the developer tab and enable it. Then click OK. That will enable the developer tab. You can see here in the ribbon also. Now every time when you open Excel you will see the developer tab always for us, and this developer tab help us to macros and VBA also. When you will click on developer tab you will see on your left side Visual Basic, macros and control buttons. So that's how to enable the developer tab only one time, and you will see the developer tab will be available always when you will open Excel in the future. If you have any questions regarding developer tab, please leave a comment below. If you really enjoy that video, please like that video to help me out for further next Excel learning videos. Please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.